President Trump is talking tariffs, and investors and traders are anxious to see what happens next to the stock market. Dan Deming of KKM Financial is watching the market for us. Dan, what are your three keys for this week?
Well, Angie, as you pointed out, the tariff threshold is certainly one of the keys to the market this week, as there's still a significant amount of uncertainty. And as we did see in the price action in the market last week, concern about the possibility of these extending into a longer format than what was initially priced in. So that's one of the things I'm watching. Data throughout the week will be another one. Disappointing data last week. And nonetheless, we have some more data this week highlighted by the jobs data on Friday. And the third thing would be market momentum, as we are now seeing the S&P not able to hold the 200-day moving average and now moving back down towards the low end of the range for this year.
The S&P not holding on to its 200-day moving average sounds ominous. What can you tell us?
Well, when you look at the price action, there's a significant amount of concern about valuations moving forward. If these tariffs are put in place for an extended period of time, economic activity certainly appears to be slowing. And the consumer is the final piece of this puzzle, and probably the most important piece, as we continue to see consumer confidence moving lower. And if that continues to be the case, then we're certainly in for probably some weakness in the economy, and that's why the market continues to realize the selling pressure. Now, the one outlier will be the Fed. Will the Fed now look at some of the price action and some of the metrics in the economic structure and potentially decide to move in May as far as lowering rates? The market's pricing that in right now, so we'll have to see if it actually takes place.
Thanks, Dan. Have a great week.
All right. Thanks for having me, Angie.